Hey, what's going on guys, TurtyWurty here, and welcome back to another video. Now this one is slightly different, and this is a special request from Ilja615. I think this is a very good idea, as you should all know, I am, one of the best artists in the world. There's not much art that gets better than mine. So I'm going to be showing you and doing a mini tutorial on how to have the best art in the world. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and install paint.net, which you can get online, or any art software, it doesn't really matter. And you want to first go to image and resize the canvas down to 16 by 16, as that's how we like our textures. Then we're just going to select the magic wand, click on it and delete. Now we have a transparent background and we can make some amazing art. So, we don't really have a color scheme. Color schemes are for noobs, and so are color palettes. So we're going to go like this. Grab the pencil tool. Select a colour that you want. I'm just going to choose blue for now. It doesn't matter because we'll be changing it in a second. You can literally just use your mouse and go and click, and then click, and then click. Just get a nice little even spread of it, and voila! Now you just got to choose another colour. So red, for example. Actually, no, we'll choose pink. Pink's a nice colour, and just go and just try, do short strokes when possible. Okay, and as you can see, it's coming together. It's starting to look like a good texture, but this isn't enough. We need another colour, so we're going to choose yellow, and just try fill in some of these blank spaces. Short strokes. Just fill in these blank areas, just like that. And then we're still not done. Don't worry. We choose another color. So I'm just going to choose green, and we're going to fill in the rest of it. Well, not quite the rest of it with green. We still want to leave some for our other colors. Yes, that's right, other colours. We have maybe one or two more colours. So we could use this nice blue colour right there, or you could choose orange. I'm actually going to choose red, because we haven't done a red, and we can't leave out a red. That's just bullying. So you want to try fill in some of these areas. Don't let any too long strokes of anything be anywhere or anything. It's starting to come together, and then you just grab a white, or like a white or a very pastel color, so pink, but like very light pink, so it's almost white, and then just fill in the rest. So grab your bucket tool, fill in the rest of it, and our block texture is very slowly coming to be some priceless art right here. There you go. There's some priceless art. Now, if you want to change it up a bit and make it a bit more different, you can go to Effects, Noise, Add Noise, and reduce the color saturation a reasonable amount, maybe like 4. Reduce the intensity a bit to maybe 26. Actually, maybe we'll increase the color saturation a bit, maybe to 28, and we'll have the intensity to 28 as well. Just click OK, and there you go. You got some nice noise. It's just beautiful, isn't it? So that's a block texture. I've got to save this, of course, because this is art. Like this is next level art. You can't be leaving this. And then we can just create a new one, for our item, 16 by 16. And we've got to think of the name of our item. So what do we want? Let's say we want an apple. Okay, let's do an apple. We want to grab red, and just do a nice little circle just like that. Grab some green, you know, maybe make it a darker green. Just do a little leaf like that, and then, you know, just fill in your apple with some red. You know, just like that, and then, you know, maybe get rid of like that. Yeah, that pixel there, that there. Yeah. You see, this is looking like an apple. But you know, you always want to make it a bit better. So, you know, we can just do the same thing with noise. You know, just add a little bit of noise. You don't want to make it too noisy, of course. And just do that with the stalk as well, or not the stalk, whatever you want to call that jazz. Maybe a bit more noise with the stalk. You know, there you go. There's your apple. You know, you might have to squint a bit, but it's your apple. You can just say that as an apple. It's amazing. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. That is how I do my amazing art. Like, you can't get much better. Like, you got to admit it. That is some of the best art in the world. You can't get much better than that art. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. This isn't a serious tutorial if you haven't already guessed. But yeah, I will be doing, you know, more serious modding tutorials soon, like structures and spawn eggs, loot tables for our entities, loads of different things. Everything on my Trello board I will be doing a tutorial on at some point. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do be sure to smash your face into that like button. If you really enjoyed, please do be sure to share it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.